Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make baked beans. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 4 rashers of bacon, 1 medium yellow onion or half of a large one, 8 cups of water, 2 cups of Great Northern or navy beans, a cup of ketchup, a cup of reserved bean liquid, a half cup of sugar, a quarter cup of molasses, a quarter cup of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of oil, a tablespoon of diced jalapenos, 2 teaspoons of dry mustard, 1½ teaspoons of salt divided, a teaspoon of pepper, and a half teaspoon of hickory liquid smoke. We'll start by rinsing 2 cups of beans in the sink and covering them with 8 cups of water. To save time, I'll be using the pressure cook setting on a multi-cooker. You may choose to soak your beans overnight and cook them on the stovetop. I'm going to add my beans to the multi-cooker and add a teaspoon of our salt and a tablespoon of oil. The oil will help prevent the beans from foaming. We'll cook our beans until tender. If using a pressure cooker, we'll cook them on high pressure for 45 minutes. The pressure cooker will take approximately 20 minutes to pressurize, and will allow it to depressurize naturally for at least another 20 minutes before manually releasing the pressure. While we're waiting on our beans to depressurize, we'll peel and finely dice our onion and dice our jalapenos until we have about a tablespoon. Then we'll preheat our oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. After our beans have depressurized, we'll drain them over a collection container so we can reserve 1 cup of our bean liquid for our sauce. The starches in the bean liquid will help our sauce thicken. Then we'll wipe out our pot with a paper towel before starting our bacon. Then we'll set our multi-cooker to saute on high and cook our bacon until it's crispy, about 10 minutes. I'm going to cut my bacon to fit. Once the bacon's finished, we'll allow it to drain on a paper towel and saute our onions and jalapenos for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. After the onions are translucent, we'll add our cup of reserved bean liquid, cup of ketchup, half cup of sugar, quarter cup of molasses, quarter cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of dried mustard, remaining half teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, and half teaspoon of liquid smoke. We'll stir these together before returning our beans to the sauce and crumbling in our bacon. We'll stir this until combined, then spray a 3-quart baking dish with cooking spray before transferring our bean mixture. We'll cover this in foil and allow it to bake covered at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours. After 2 hours of baking, our beans should be done. We'll remove them from the oven and stir them before serving as a side. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.